Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, what's up everyone? Assalamualaikum. This is my first time to share some tricks in Cubase. Anyways, would be super awesome if you guys could drop a like and maybe even subscribe if you did end up enjoying this video as it will. And let me know that I should upload more videos like this. So today, I'm gonna very quickly over how to use a sidechain in Cubase element. Cubase element doesn't have a sidechain built on it. Sidechain is to separate the bass track and the kick drum so they don't get muddy each other up. And I have a kick drum here. And the bass. Both of them. The main idea is to get a signal only, no audio, of your kick drum. To do that, first you add 3 group channel. I name it as kick trigger. Bass sidechain left and the bass sidechain right. Now on the kick, you have to send the signal to kick trigger and set the gain as louder as you can and pre-feather it. Now on a kick trigger, you send the signal to the sidechain left and set the level to the maximum and send it to the bass sidechain right too. Pre-feather it, set it to the maximum and pan it first to the right and then to the left. On the bass sidechain channel left, you pan it left and right. Now you check the signal. You got to mute. And you got the signal only of your kick. And then on the bass, you send to the bass sidechain left, pre-feather it, bass sidechain right, pre-feather it, and pan it first to the left and right. And mute the feeder of your bass track. Now check the bass track only. Now you got the bass signal and audio on your bass sidechain channel. Now usually I use compressor, but I just want to compress the lower frequency of my bass. You can do that the same way by pass, and I set the frequency to the 500. Now you can check the bass sidechain left only. You can see the kick signal is on the right and the bass is on left. You can mute the kick. You have to set the gain of your bass not to immediately compress. By the multiband compressor. Kick. Now, the last thing, you have to copy your multiband compressor to the bass sidechain right. Now you can feel your bass is compressed on a low frequency only. Open up your kick. So they don't get muddy each other up. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.